FluoRender tutorials. Load files using ImageJ and Bioformats, macOS. In this video, we demonstrate linking FluoRender with ImageJ for file import on the macOS. We download the ImageJ package first. Search for ImageJ download and go to its download website. We select the package that works for the current operating system, which is macOS. Wait for the ImageJ package to be downloaded, which may take a while. Next, we also need to download the Bioformats package, which is a plugin for ImageJ to load different file formats. Search for Bioformats download and go to its web page. Then, choose the Bioformats package to download, which is independent of operating systems. Wait for the Bioformats package to be downloaded. If the browser thinks it potentially dangerous, choose Keep to keep it. We need to extract the ImageJ package before we can use it. You can copy the ImageJ folder anywhere. Here, we copy it to the document folder. We copy the file bioformats_plugin.jar to the plugin folder inside of the ImageJ package. After both ImageJ and Bioformats are downloaded, we can configure FluoRender to link with them. Launch FluoRender and go to the ImageJ link panel in the setting dialog. The first file to configure is the dynamic library file for the Java virtual machine, libjvm.dilib. It can be found in the JRE folder of ImageJ. The second file is image.app in the main ImageJ folder. And the third file is the bioformats_plugin.jar, which we just downloaded separately. Restart FluoRender for the settings to take effect. A new ImageJ import button is added to the main toolbar. Files selected subsequently are loaded using ImageJ and Bioformats. We can use the ImageJ link feature for file formats that were not originally supported by FluoRender. For example, we can open an AVI movie file and visualize it in FluoRender.